Well, here we go. We got taters and onions on the stove cooking up. Got some oil heating up here for squirrel. Some squirrel meat there. Gonna roll with some flour with some black pepper. Got a dish to put them in there. And everything going with a glass of sweet tea. And yeah, it should be ready to rock here in just a little bit. Fried taters, fried squirrel, and sweet tea. Alright, got the last couple pieces in there. Here's the squirrel meat. Got little pieces. Flour, roll them in. My taters over there. And of course these are about done, so I'm gonna grab him up out of there. Put him on the paper towel. You know, it's quite an experience to go through this whole process. It's not something that is just as easy as you think it is. There's more to it. So, making yourself accustomed to going through the whole process, catching or killing and scanning, gutting, and butchering and all that, you know, it's something you might want to familiarize yourself with now versus waiting till you have to rely on that skill. Well, there it is right there. Some fried taters. Got some little goodies right there. Let's go ahead and grab one up here. No, it's not bad. You fry just about anything, make it edible. Try this one. You know, that ain't bad. It's a little bit chewy. A little bit of hot sauce. Pretty good. It's a lot of work for a little bit, but it ain't bad. Yeah. Get in here and get some more of that. Not bad. Once done with some sweet tea. A little chewier, but I kind of suspected that. Thanks for watching.